Welcome to Style Ebarza on Yas Island, a brand new 5-bedroom villa in Noya Luma where every element is crafted from premium materials and meticulously designed for unparalleled elegance. Step into the open-plan living area, where natural light illuminates a seamless transition from lounge to dining. A bespoke table and chair sit beneath precision lighting that accentuates the refined wall panel textures, each detail curated for sophisticated harmony. The fully enclosed kitchen, generously sized, is intentionally left untouched, ready for a personalized design that reflects its owner's unique vision. A cozy guest bedroom on this level features its own ensuite bathroom, presented in the same premium finish. Household efficiency is ensured with a discreet maid's room, separate laundry area, and storeroom equipped with built-in wardrobes, all executed in high-end style. In the garden, discover a 15 square meter multi-purpose pavilion, ideal as driver's quarters, a private studio, or a personal gym, adapted to any need. Upstairs reveals an elegant pantry kitchen and lounge, crafted from top-tier materials and premium fitting, easily concealed behind sleek sliding doors. The master suite offers a bright retreat with a luxurious bathroom and integrated storage, every line speaking to exceptional craftsmanship. A second bedroom enjoys its own ensuite and generous built-in wardrobe, while a dedicated study provides an inspiring workspace. Two further bedrooms share a beautifully appointed bathroom, each with bespoke storage. Every room at Style Ebarza blends noble textures, flawless lines, and functional innovation, creating a canvas for your ultimate masterpiece. With 289 square meters of living space, plus the 15 square meter multi-purpose room on a 384 square meter plot, priced at 6,800,000 dirhams, Style Ebarza is more than a home. It's the embodiment of luxury and premium design.